and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel your mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, take the stress away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is feeling. I'm gonna fulfill you, my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I will over. Baby, it hurt you, I'm here to serve. All you need, even if it's not yours.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Zoom out so you guys can get the full length of this wig. Let's see. Okay, are we getting the vibes? The long waves. Oh, I am loving this texture. I actually don't think I've ever tried this texture before. So I'm loving the length, I love the density, love the waves, the texture, it's everything. I'm a sucker for a closure wig because they're just quicker and easier to install. I did go in and pluck the hairline of this closure right here. Also plucked the parting space just to give it a little bit more of an open feel and make the hairline look a little bit more realistic and natural, of course. I didn't want to like super duper wet up the hair, so I just added some foaming mousse just to kind of add a little bit of like, I guess, moisture to the hair just to see what it would look like, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now if you're someone who wants to wet your hair up, you can definitely do that with this one. I kind of just wanted that more wet to dry look, and I think it looks really, really pretty. With the closure, you can put it on the side if you want to, but I was really feeling mine with the middle and no baby hairs, honey. It's looking real, real cute. You guys gotta let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Loving this natural length as well. So thank you to Luvmehair for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.